BLONGshow. I'm going to show you how to change a tie rod. Save your money. See that tie rod right there? Don't do nothing to it until you go get some spray and spray those threads and those bolts. Otherwise, you run the risk of stuff to start turning on you. This one will be straight, but it don't have grease fitting. If it had a grease fitting, we could just grease it. See that? That's what's wrong with it. No grease in it no more. It ain't that bad, it just ain't no grease in it, so it get tore up because no lubrication. It's like your elbow with no synovial fluid. Alright, now that we done sprayed it, what we want to do is take that cotter pin, take this cotter pin out, then take this nut off, then take this nut off, and I'll come back after that.
Invest in one of those. 38 degrees out. That'll keep you warm.
Both sides spinning.
Huh?
The wheel turned all the way this way?
Nope. Just like that. Didn't hit on the top of it, hit right on the side.
Alright, the first thing you want to do count how many threads you got sticking out. These are the threads. You count how many sticking out so you can put it back in the same amount. Then you take an adjustable wrench. You stick it on here. And that's how you turn it.